Hi, Sketchlab friends. Today we're going to have the ultimate mashup. Simpsons Fortnite, Scratchy, and the Durr Burger. Are you ready to draw? Well, let's go. So we're going to start off with the head of Scratchy. So I'm going to just start off with the circle. And Scratchy is in 3/4 view. So we can turn a circle into a sphere just by curving a line to the right. So that's the center line of the face now. And then I'm going to lightly curve a line up. So these are construction lines that are going to end up being erased. And now this is going to help us with our placement of our eyes. So the near eye is going to be drawn a little bit larger. I'm going to draw in a circle. And I'll add the little dot there. This one here I'm going to draw a little bit smaller. And when we draw the nose, we're going to use some overlapping. So we're actually going to draw the nose over this far eye here on the right. It's a triangular shape. So now we're going to go ahead and start drawing the mouth. So I'm curving a line out to the right. And then the corner of the mouth, I'm just going to curve a line out to the left. These Simpsons characters are so fun to draw. And I love how much character these two have together. So we're going to draw the shape of the triangle for the teeth. And now I'm curving a line up and then down. This is going to create the tongue. And now I'm just going to draw a line that curves down. Well, I guess this is what happens when Simpsons and Fortnite gets thrown into a blender. But I think this is a great combo today. So I'm going to fill in the mouth, around the tongue. Yeah, I think Scratchy looks like he's had 75 cups of coffee and no sleep. All right, so we're going to draw the fur so you can see how these point in one direction. And now from here, we're going to go ahead and begin the ear. So this line slightly curves just a little bit out to the right. And then once again, curving a line out to the right. And this one here is a little bit smaller where you don't see as much of it as well because of the use of overlapping. So now we're going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. This is going to be the top of the Durr Burger's bun. kind of roughing in a shape here. Then I'm going to go ahead and curve a line down. And I'm just going to clean up some of these construction lines right now. All right, so I'm going to draw a little oval. This is going to be the paw. Once again, erasing out that little construction line. Add just 2 lines here for the paw. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw this line. It's going to curve out to the left and then towards the head. So it's really cool to have this head overlapping the butt of the Durr Burger. Obviously looks much more three-dimensional when you use overlapping. Same thing, a little oval paw, 2 lines. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start building the burger now. So I'm just going to use a wavy line. All right, so I'm going to start roughing in a circle for the eye. Same thing, I'm going to curve a line up, curve a line to the right. I'm going to use that to help place the pupil. And so you can see that helps make these eyes look much more three-dimensional. So same thing. So it's this concept of turning a circle into a sphere. And you can see how these cross contour lines really help to create a three-dimensional effect. And same thing. So where those 2 lines intersect, I drew a little dot there for the pupil. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start the cheese. So we're going to make this cheese 3D. I'm just going to draw a diagonal line. I'm going to draw a line here, and now I'm using parallel lines. I'm trying to make sure that these 2 lines match. So curve line out to the left and now to the right. Creating the beef patty. Now this is going to be the bottom bun. Yeah, I think that cheese slice is holding on for dear life. All right, so we're going to start roughing in the tongue. Drawing a line down that actually goes below the bottom bun. And this is another example of the use of overlapping we've been using today. So overlapping in size, using form, cross contour lines, and got an awesome 3D effect going. So we're going to draw a triangle here. This is going to be the toothpick. And kind of going with the theme of The Simpsons here. Scratchy's got a toothpick through his head with an olive on top. So for the olive, I'm just going to curve line out to the left and then out to the right. Create that oval shape. And based on our eye level, we're going to be looking down so we can see the top of the oval of the olive. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start outlining. Just going to go with some Sharpie markers. I'll be using Posca paint markers today. And I'll be going over all the colors and details here. And if you don't have Poscas, it's okay. You can use whatever you have. And we're going to use colors value today. So I have some dark green, green, and apple green. So with those three values, so we're saying the light source is on the right-hand side. Now for Scratchy, I'm going to add black and white to create some gray. Just red, a little bit of pink, create a little highlight on the tongue. The eyes are ivory. So we got red and dark red, yellow and ochre. We got brown and dark brown. For the bun, I chose apricot. We got the cotton pink, red, and a little bit of the light pink highlight on the tongue. Apricot for the bun, and also brown. And I'm going to be a little bit painterly with these Posca markers today. I'm going to kind of start blending them because they're paint markers. So I can create little color gradations and it creates some fun texture. And obviously you're going to want to add some sesame seeds on top for those last final touches. All right, well, Scratchy is officially the new Durr Burger mascot, and I'm a little scared for the customers. Well, if you want some more wild mashups like this, hit that like button and comment who I should Frankenstein next. Well, I'll see you in the next drippy disaster. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.